Kay, and welcome back to Kay's Corner. Today, we're filming the first episode of our Super Bowl party hors d'oeuvres and main courses. So our first one will be your deviled eggs. So we're gonna show just a standard deviled eggs, but then a little bit of ways that you can spice it up so that you can look a little fancy. And that's it for our deviled eggs today. They look delicious, they taste delicious. It was a great little hors d'oeuvres that we're doing. Thank you for tuning into our video and visiting Kay's Corner. Till next time, like and subscribe, and see you on the next episode.